This Faceless channel you're seeing here started 9 months ago, and not only started 9 months ago, he started with just going faceless without showing his face, and this channel is earning over $1,000 every month. This channel has gotten several viral videos, and this channel also have over 58,000 subscribers as at when I am filming this particular video. And what if I show you that this video
is possible, and many creators have built successful,
and this video
on YouTube with a faceless channel is possible, and
are
many
all
creators
fake. They are AI generated. Will you believe? A lot of YouTubers has also talked about Faceless channel and how a lot of Faceless channel are making money. But a lot of people are taking this for granted because probably they don't have the right tools to generate their AI images and videos that can actually help them go viral. Recently, this is what Google say as well, that Faceless channel earn at least $1,000 to 10,000 USDT to even 100,000 USDT per month. And you can also be among this channel that is making over 1,000 to 10,000 to 100,000 USDT. All you need to do is to get the right app, and that is why in this video, if you're looking forward to start up a channel and you don't want to show your face, you don't want even people around you to know that you have a YouTube channel, you just want to go faceless, this video is for you, because I'm going to be teaching you how to generate AI videos that you are going to generate. And the good part about these AI videos I'm going to teach you is you are going to generate even for your Facebook, your Instagram, and even your YouTube channel for you to be able to make money. And if you love generating shorts as well, you can also use this particular app that I want to use to generate short videos, okay, that can actually go viral for your channel. If you are a YouTuber, you're already making money on YouTube, and you also want to have like a separate channel, but you don't want people that have those particular channel to be able to see that, oh, you are the owner of this channel, this particular video is for you. Beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time seeing, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other persons to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. This particular app I'm about to share with you is called Virbo, and the good part I love about Virbo is that you can get it on even your laptop or your phone, okay? So if you don't know, Virbo is an AI app that can help you generate videos that you can actually use to make money on even Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and all kind of platform, ranging from video translation to all kind of with videos. Virbo, you can be able to create your AI avatar, change your video language translation to either French, Spanish, or any kind of language that you want. Also download directly to your device and then upload to make. Anyways, let's get right into this tutorial so that you can see exactly what this app is giving you. So guys, to get started, what you need to do is to click on the link in the bio, or you click in the link in the description. It will bring you to this particular interface where you need to sign up. All you need to do is to click on Start Online for free, and you'll be directed to register. If you're using a mobile phone or you have an Android phone, you can check out their app, which is the Virbo app, and the way you're seeing it display on the screen, and you are good to go. So since I've already signed up, I'll just go ahead and click on Start Online for free, and let's get started ASAP. So when I click on Start Online for free, it's going to take me to this particular interface that you're seeing in my computer, where you have the avatar video, taking photos, video translation, and we're going to showing you one after the other, okay? So that at the end of this video, you are going to enjoy. If you click on more, the same way I just click on more, you're going to be seeing video translation, URL to video, manage mogul maker, AI clip generator, video ad maker, export, text-to-speech, and voice cloning. So all of these things are things that we are going to be exploring in creating our AI video so that we can monetize ASAP with this, okay? First step to get started, guys, is to go back, and if you click on this going back arrow, it will take you back to the home page. And for you to be able to start creating your videos, all you need to do, you can see the template avatar AI as you're seeing. So you just head straight to this place where you're seeing create a video. If you want to create a video for YouTube, you go ahead and click 16.9. If you want to create for Facebook or Instagram, you go ahead and click 9.16. So I'll go ahead with the 16.9 because I want to create for YouTube, and I want you guys to start making money on YouTube, okay? So now once you click on create, to pop out this automatically, what you need to do is to go ahead and delete this, okay? Just highlight it and delete it exactly the way you just saw me did on this particular end. And after deleting it, you're going to go ahead to choose your own avatar. So if you click on avatar, you'll see different AI avatars that you can use. Like when I mean different, there's a lot of avatars for you to use here. Okay, so it's very, very simple and very, very easy. That's one beautiful part I love about Vibo. So you can go ahead and choose anyone. Do you want female? Do you want male? Whatever dress you want them to be putting on, how you want them to be, like everything is just here for you. So I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite. Okay, so this girl is my real favorite. Okay, so I'll use that. So feel free to use anyone you want to use. So once I click on it, you can see that automatically it pops up here. And this is the first major step that you need to take. The second major step that you need to take now is to go to ChatGPT. If you go to ChatGPT now, you're going to be generating what you want ChatGPT to create for you. Like here, you can see I said how to make money online as a faceless channel. Now you're going to go ahead and copy this, because I'll copy this and take it to my notepad, edit this, and then keep, because I don't need to pack everything and put in this video, because I don't want this video to be more longer than it is. So I'll go ahead and copy all of this, take it to my notepad and edit it and save it there. Now that you already generated your text, let's move to the next step. So the next thing for you to do now, guys, is to go back to the interface. This place is where you play your script when it's done. This place is where you can change your language. This place is where you can upload your audio if you already have an audio. And here is where you can use the test script. I'm gonna go ahead and use the test script since I already have my test script generated from ChatGPT and I've already saved it in my book log. So this is me going back to copy it, and I'll come here and paste what I've already edited. You can see me that I've edited it in a shorter way so that it will not be too long for the sake of this video. To choose my preferred voice, I click on that English USA you're seeing. These are where you can use different type of voice that you want to use. Like there's a lot here for you to be able to explore. Okay, like a lot of different type of voice. If you want to clone your own voice, you can go ahead and clone your own voice if you have your own audio already. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use my favorite, which is this Ava USA. Okay, and for you to click on Ava USA, like I said, you can also search it from the search bar that you're seeing on top of this angle. Okay, but I'll go ahead and click on her, and so I'll go ahead and click on Ava, click on select, and allow you guys to listen to the voice. Okay.
Making money on YouTube with a faceless channel is possible, and many creators have built successful
So
YouTube.
just note that the lips will not be moving until you save the video, okay? So if you want to go ahead and change background, you can go ahead and click on background. And if you click on background, automatically you're going towards impute background. So you go ahead and choose any kind of background that you want. Have it in mind that the background will not display automatically because this background is fixed. But if you want to make sure that the background is on it, you can see it on the line here that the background is there. And this particular background on is very good when you have your background from your already created background. Here you can also change your text, any one that you want to choose, okay, as you guys are seeing here. And you can also click on subtitles so that your videos can have a subtitle. You can also add a headings, subheadings, and the rest of that as you guys are seeing as well. So for you to view your background, if you want to use your own made background, you go ahead and click on this side that I clicked, and then you click on cycle. You can see that the background is already here, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and use my normal background that they give me. So I'll just enlarge this back so that everything can be in place. So you can also choose any stickers that you want to like point out arrows and everything, to just make everything so sweet. You can also go ahead and choose any music, but I advise you choose, if you're using YouTube, you choose the YouTube audio music so that you don't have any issue with that. After that, you go ahead and play your video. You can see that as I'm playing the video, is also giving the right up. Like I said, the lips will not be moving until we save the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys all of that. Now, if you go back, okay, you are going to see video translator if you want to translate it to any language at all of your choice. Okay, so if you click on video translation, this will allow you to translate to French or any other language that you want to translate to. All you need to do is to select the original language. If it's English, like mine is English, I'll go ahead and select English, and then you select the language you want it to go with. So if you check, you're also going to be seeing English, Chinese, Spanish, Arabic, Portuguese, like Indonesia, French, like a lot. You can see me changing it to English here, and then let's say I want to translate to French. You guys know I love French so much, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose on French. And once I choose on French, the next thing for you to do is you can check this, your lips movement, if you want your lips to be moving, if you want the lips of the avatar to be moving. And then you can also click up subtitles so that you can also generate subtitles to. And the next thing for you to do is to hit on translate this video, and then you are good to go. The video will automatically be translated to that particular language that you want. So right now, this is me going back, and for you to export this after all your work, you click on export. You can export on 1080 or 4K. So I'll go ahead and use the 1080. So after exporting this video, is going to be on the interface like this. You can see it right now. It's showing that it's still exporting this particular video, and you can see the ones that I've already generated as well. Once it's done, it's going to show you like this that it is done. And then the next thing for you to do now that is done is to save to your computer. All you need to do is to download and save to your computer. And now let's play what we have.
Making money on YouTube with a faceless channel is possible, and many creators have built successful YouTube channels without ever showing their faces. Here are several strategies for monetizing a faceless channel. 1. Ad revenue. 2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Sponsored videos. 4. Selling digital products. 5. Merchandise sales. 6. Crowdfunding and donations. 7. License your content. 8. Create a YouTube membership. 9. Creating compelling content. 10. SEO and video optimization. Conclusion. The key to success with a faceless YouTube channel is creating content that resonates with an audience, offering value, and consistently producing high-quality videos. By focusing on the right niche, leveraging various monetization options, and optimizing your content, you can build a profitable YouTube channel without showing your face.
Thank you so much for staying stick and with me to the end of this video, and I hope you love this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you have been using Verbo before, let me know in the comment section. If this is the first time you're hearing about Verbo as well, also let me know in the comment section. And yes, if this video is helpful, like I said, subscribe. Don't also forget to do what? Drop me your comments in any aspect that you're finding issues. If you want me to keep bringing videos like this, also let me know in the comment section. Anyways, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.